because we started our class a little bit late, maybe another 10 minutes, I wanted to teach you how to give the addresses to the router also. At least next week, we don't want to repeat the same things. Anyway, I will quickly give you few what you call it command, how to set the IP address on the switch. The routers are okay. Sorry, the PCs, laptops, we already give the IP address. For example, this one I check. I'll give the address 192.168.11.4 if I'm not mistaken, and this one is 192.168.11.1 is for the default gateway, and this PC 192.168.11.3 and then 192.168.11.1, and hopefully this one we already set the IP address. No, 192.168.11.2, 192.168.11.1. So that's all. So we have completed how to give the address. So what is /24? Please do your study yourself. These two networks must be different network. Okay, that's a very important thing. Okay. No, not select DHCP. If you select DHCP, then you have to enable DHCP on router. I don't want to do that now. Okay. DHCP is a dynamic host configuration protocol. Okay, that is automatic addressing. Yes, right. But you must have the DHCP server. Okay, so or you should install it on the router to give the IP address for both networks. So we don't want to do that right now. The only thing you learn about the IP addresses. I want to ask you one question, guys. If I put 16, question is, if I put 16, if I change the subnet mask to 16, is that correct? Address, is that correct? Network address design, I can say, is that correct? How about the others? If it's 16, 255, we must change the order. What you mean by the order? Yeah. So, or everybody knows, right? That's very good. At least I no need to explain about the IP addresses. Okay, it's not correct because why? Because if I put 16, these two will be in the same network, right? Yes, exactly. So this one cannot be 16. So at least you know about this one. That's very good. Okay. All right. So the last step today, that I'm going to give the address, and you know what is ping, right? You know what is ping. Do you know what is PING? Ping. Okay, that's very good. You go to the CMD command prompt of the Windows. You type ping 192.168. Sorry, use ping yahoo.com, for example. This is for testing. I know 90% of you know what is ping, and I know that 95, 99%. But maybe there is someone doesn't know. It happened in my other classes. That's why I explained. Whatever I explain in this class doesn't mean that you don't know or you know or whatever. Okay. Sometimes I need to explain because maybe someone in the class doesn't know, maybe. So don't take it wrong. Okay. So this is the, for example, the ping. You want to check the connectivity. So the ping is for testing the network. Okay. So when I get the reply, meaning that the connection is going on, is running, is already there. So, okay. So there is, yes, the packet loss is 0.